Hi, today we will discuss the intraday levels for gold, and as we have previously discussed that gold is gold may take support from this support zone as liquidity was created uh, as we have draw by line. So now gold has taken the support and it was going upside while when it come to the resistance level which was created here, it took a rejection from this point. If we came to H1, we can clearly see that this was support become resistance area, and gold now is getting rejection from this point and coming down. For intraday trades, if we look for a trade at best price, then this is the support, last support which gold may take to go upside. We should change its color to green, and so this is the support. Gold may take support from this point, and it may go upside if gold has gone to upside, and then it should break the this resistance like this. So we will try to take a buy position from here. After confirmation, you may see your confirmation that could be a VSA or change of character in SMC or your candlestick patterns, whatever you want to use. And for the moment, gold is coming downside. So you may take sell entries in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Here in 15 minutes, if we see the gold is at its last support. If gold break this support, then it would be very clear that gold is going downside. And if it may take a support from here, then it could be gold directly go from here to upside again. So these are the level for intraday trades. Gold can take support from this point, may get a support from this zone, which is about to 33.20 to 33.12, and this support is about to 34 to 33.33. So these are the two support areas where gold can take support to go upside if it wants. Otherwise, we may see downside direction for today. If gold break this area, then on rejection, then on retracement of this area, we will go in sell side direction. If gold break this and get a retracement, then we will look for the confirmation to sell it, and then we will try to sell gold till this area. Once the gold will reach this point, then we will see a buy confirmation, and gold may go upside again. And if gold doesn't break this last support in 15 minutes, then it may give us a buy confirmation here, and we will trade in buy side direction further in gold. So these are the analysis for today intraday trades. If we look at the news, there is a final GDP and unemployment claim news for today. I hope you have found this video helpful. Keep supporting us and do subscribe our channel. We only give educational uh, content. This account is only for educational purpose. We suggest demo trading. Do not trade on real money, and we are not financial advisor. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.